In this quick guide, you'll learn how to add a video to a constant contact email. Whether you're promoting a new product, sharing a tutorial, or simply wanting to engage your audience more effectively, adding a video can dramatically enhance your email's impact. Let's dive right in and see how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to constantcontact.com. This is where the magic starts. If you haven't logged in already, make sure to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is essentially your control center for managing email campaigns, content contacts, and more. Now, direct your attention to the menu options at the top of the page and click on Campaigns. This section houses all your past and ongoing email campaigns. It's important to have a clear understanding of your campaigns because this is where you'll choose the email to which you want to add your video. After you click on Campaigns, you'll see a list of your current campaigns. Go ahead and select the one you wish to edit. Simply click on the Edit button next to the campaign name. This will open up the editing interface where you can customize your email to your heart's content. With the campaign open, glance over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a menu labeled Content. This is your toolbox for creating a compelling email. Under this menu, look for the video option. Click on it to access the video block, which is what you'll use to integrate your video into the email. When you click on video, a new window will prompt you to enter a URL. This URL should be the link to the video you want to share. It's important to note that Constant Contact supports videos from platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, so make sure your video is hosted on one of these services. Simply copy the video's URL from your browser address bar and paste it into the provided field. Once you've entered the URL, click Insert. The video block will now appear in your email draft. From here, you can adjust its placement and size to fit your email's design. You might want to consider adding a brief description or a call to action above or below the video to encourage your recipients to watch it. And there you have it. Your video is now part of your Constant Contact email, ready to wow your audience with dynamic content. Before you send it out, it's always a good idea to preview the email to ensure everything looks just right. You can do this by clicking on the preview button at the top of the editing interface. Adding videos to your emails not only enriches the content but also increases engagement rates. People are more likely to interact with an email that includes visual elements, so this is a great way to capture attention and convey your message effectively. In this quick tutorial, we've walked through how to add a video to your Constant Contact email. With these steps, you're on your way to creating more engaging and interactive email campaigns. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.